Hey, hello. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit posts that were created in WordPress for the blog. Currently, the blog looks as such. So we can see here, and we're going to take this simple and smart business financing idea, and we're going to change the image um, of this post. So we've already assumed that we have logged in to WordPress. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go to our dashboard. Okay, so now we're in our dashboard. And I'm going to come here to post, and I'm going to show you all the posts. Okay, and we're going to take this one here. You can see my cursor, simple and smart financing, and we're going to do two things. To change the image that comes up, we can use edit. We're going to start off pretending we're adding or modifying the elements within the post. So we're going to use edit with Elementor. So as we do edit with Elementor, you're going to get Elementor load up. And as Elementor loads, we have the image here. We have all the text. And now we could add little things to here. If we want to add something at the bottom, for example, let's say we wanted to add an image at the bottom of this as well as the main image. So we can just come over here and add whatever we want, an icon, whatever. So we can maybe add let's just add a square icon. All you got to do is take it over and drag it. That's the default, leaves the icon there. You can set up in different ways. We can pick a different style. We can change the color, make it theme color 1, so now it's blue. And once we click on publish button, that will be published into the blog. So if I come into this page, that's being updated, and we come into the blog and we click on the Smart Ideas page, we see the big image, and then all the way down we have a little star. Okay, and again, to remove that star, it's pretty easy. You just click on the X and it deletes it, and we're going to republish that again. Now the main image is a little bit different. You can't edit the main image because it's sort of part of the WordPress front end. So we're going to go and exit back into WordPress. And as we go back into WordPress, we are in here. And now, instead of editing this with Elementor, I could edit from this section right here. So there's the image, and I'm going to replace that image with a different image. And the image I'm going to pick is here. I'll just use this one. You're going to be able to change it later. We're going to change it later before the site goes live, but that gives you an idea. So now we've got a different picture on there. And the other thing is, I want to make sure I put this in correct. I'm going to change that to a capital B. I'm going to change this to a capital F. And I'm going to change this to a capital I. Okay, and I'm going to say update. Okay, if I have multiple authors, I can change the authors here. So I'm going to change this to Greg L. And it's going to be the standard format, and I'm going to say update. And now if I come back into this blog and I click on the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the blog post. And now the image has changed, the author has changed, and the date still remains the same when it was first uploaded. So that gives you an idea of how to edit blog posts, quick and simple and easily.